Hey singers, today we're going to talk about your larynx, that little box in your throat which houses your vocal cords, which can really impact your overall singing voice. But before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel, and thank you for stopping by. And with that being said, let's get started. So the position of your larynx can really influence the tonal quality and the character of your voice, and it also helps as well when it comes to singing different styles. So there are many differing thoughts on the ideal position for the larynx. Ultimately, I think it's all about experimenting and really finding out what works for you, what works for the sound that you want. So let's talk about the three different laryngeal setups, the three different positions of the larynx. So setup one is a lower larynx, which generally is going to create more of a darker, deeper and richer tonal quality in your voice. Think Pavarotti and his booming voice. A lower larynx is the typical vocal setup for classical and operatic styles of singing. It can also be used in contemporary styles as well. Think of Cher and Anita Baker. These are singers that really sang with more of that lower larynx setup, and it really works for them. They have amazing voices. And then setup two is a neutral larynx, which really can give you that balanced, warmer quality, just like Michael Bublé's smooth vocals. His vocals are so smooth, but a neutral larynx is the common vocal setup for styles of singing such as pop, R&B and country. So setup three is a higher larynx, which really produces more of those brighter, thinner and intense sounds in your voice. And this is perfect for those rock belts like Chester Bennington. But this is a common vocal setup for contemporary styles, especially when it comes to rock, gospel and musical theatre. So your larynx can give you the tools for diverse styles. So let's do this particular exercise that's really just going to help you to find the different positions of the larynx. So we're going to say, "How you doing?" Just like Joey from Friends. So start out by saying, "How you doing?" And then we're going to intentionally do this with a lower larynx. So I want you to get two fingers, place them on your Adam's apple or around that area, swallow. You'll feel your larynx go up and then come back down. And then we're going to intentionally say with a lower larynx, "How you doing?" So we're going to go, "Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?" And you can repeat that a couple more times just to get used to it. "Hey, how you doing?" And then from there, we're going to say it intentionally with a more higher larynx position. "Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?" You can hear how it completely just changes my voice, right? So you can repeat that a few more times. "Hey, how you doing?" And then we're going to go into a more neutral larynx positioning. "Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?" And then we'll do all three of them next to each other. So, "Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?" So you can pause the video and just give that a little bit of a try by yourself. And then let me demonstrate what each of these positions can sound like when singing. In this demonstration, I am kind of somewhat exaggerating a little bit so that you can really hear the difference. "Summer after high school when we first met, we made out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos." So that's what it pretty much sounds like when you're singing with a little bit more of a lower larynx, a little bit more. I'm kind of exaggerating it a little bit just so that you really get this and you can really hear the difference. But you can actually do that and make it a little more chilled. "Summer after high school when we first met, we made out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my..." So that would be a little bit more of the less exaggerated version. So yeah, let me do the neutral larynx now. "Summer after high school when we first met, we made out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos." So that was a little bit more of a neutral larynx, and then let me show you a higher larynx. Summer after high school when we first met, we made out in your Mustang to Radiohead, and on my 18th birthday we got matching tattoos. So over time, you're really going to build an awareness of what works best for you, which of these different laryngeal positions are going to work best for you for the songs that you're singing. But like I said, it's all about experimenting and exploring, and you know, you've got to spend time with your voice. Your voice is your instrument and you have to spend time with it, you know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on a video. And yeah, you can download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play, and it has a whole bunch of free challenges, vocal workouts and training videos on there. And yeah, get it, App Store, Google Play, and until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.